southern Hancock County, northwestern Rush County, northeastern Johnson County, southeastern Marion County, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Greenfield to near Greenwood, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters.
Jeez, it's been a long time
The
since I've
following
heard that
effects are
one.
expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and
For a
trees.
second I thought that Henry,
Locations
so
impacted include
expecting all these to
Indianapolis,
go off.
Shelbyville, Greenwood, Greenfield,
Wait, isn't this
Rushville,
literally the same exact
Palestine,
alert?
Morristown, Carthage, Fairland, Spring Lake, Waldron, Bogstown, Manila, and Arlington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 96 and 101. Interstate 74 between mile markers 98 and 122. For your protection,
Oh, that not sound good.
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hancock, Johnson, Marion, Rush, and Shelby. The severe thunderstorm warning for Hancock, Marion, and West Central Henry counties will